how to use the verb I live, zo, in everyday sentences. In the present, future, and past tenses. The present tense. I live, zo. You live, singular. Zis. He, she, or it lives. Zi. We live. Zume. You live, plural form. Zite. They live. Zun. I live in Cyprus. Zo stin Kipro. Do you live close to work? Zis kondá στη δουλειά? He lives alone. Zi monos tu. We live in the same city. Ζούμε στην ίδια πόλη. Have you lived here for many years? Ζείτε εδώ πολλά χρόνια. They live with their family. Ζουν με την οικογένειά τους. The future tense with the particle θα. I will live. Θα ζήσω. You will live, singular. Θα ζήσεις. He, she, or it will live. Θα ζήσει. We will live. Θα ζήσουμε. You will live, plural form. Θα ζήσετε. They will live. Θα ζήσουν. I will live in Cyprus. Θα ζήσω στην Κύπρο. Will you live close to work? Θα ζήσεις κοντά στη δουλειά? He will live alone. Θα ζήσει μόνος του. We will live in the same city. Θα ζήσουμε στην ίδια πόλη. Will you live in Cyprus? Θα ζήσετε στην Κύπρο? They will live with their family. Θα ζήσουν με την οικογένειά τους. The past tense. I lived. Έζησα. You lived, singular. Έζησες. He, she, or it lived. Έζησε. We lived. Ζήσαμε. You lived, plural form. Ζήσατε. They lived. Έζησαν. Here are sample sentences in the past tense. I lived in Cyprus. Έζησα στην Κύπρο. Did you live in Athens? Έζησες στην Αθήνα? He lived here for many years. Έζησε πολλά χρόνια εδώ. We lived in a small house. Ζήσαμε σε μικρό σπίτι. Did you live abroad? Ζήσατε στο εξωτερικό? They lived close to work. Έζησαν κοντά στη δουλειά. Γεια σας. My name is George Lambrou and thank you for practicing with 1 Hour Language. Check out the next video in the series for more practice.